I met Sohail when he was on the verge of losing all hope of getting a job of his choice. He used to change jobs very frequently, and that had an adverse effect on his profile and confidence. When he came to me, we had a one-to-one counseling session with him, and I understood that he hardly invested time to research about the organization, the work culture, the projects, the mission or the vision of the company before walking in for an interview, and used to settle in for anything and everything. And that's where the problem began. This would not have been the case if he had clarity of thoughts as to which type of organization he wanted to work, what is his strong areas, and which type of work will best suit him. It is possible only through research, which is another very powerful tool. See, research has three main advantages. It helps in understanding your audience. Matlab, what your audience needs. Second is, it gives us clarity of thoughts and ideas. What should we do to satisfy them? And third is, it broadens our perspective of looking at the situations. We try to understand their problems and come up with the best possible solution. But ये आप सिर्फ रिसर्च करेंगे तो ही पता चलेगा. So what should you do? Whenever you are going for an important talk, have a fair idea about the background of your employer, boss, client, customer. What they are expecting from the talk and how will you be able to fulfill the same. Research as to what you are expecting from the talk, from your team or your client or your boss, and have a clear idea of the possible outcomes. Sometimes there are situations in life where even after doing proper research and preparing for the talk, the outcome is not according to our wish. And we analyze and paralyze it to conclude that we are not fit for it, we are born incapable, or sometimes out of frustration, we put all the blame on our parents and their upbringing. Isn't it? But before concluding anything, remember, if milk gets sour, it becomes yogurt. If yogurt gets worse, it turns to cheese. Cheese is more valuable than yogurt, and yogurt is more valuable than milk. Similarly, if grape juice ferments, it transforms into wine, which is even more expensive than grape juice. You are not bad or incapable because you made mistakes. Mistakes are the experiences that make you more valuable as a person. Learn from your mistakes. And slowly but surely, you will keep evolving. But yes, try not to keep repeating the same mistake. आगे activity time. I can't help it. करना पड़ेगा आपको. Now you have already brainstormed about the topic you want to talk about. Now invest a little time to research about the topic or maybe the subparts and jot down everything. Like you had taken the topic place you wanted to visit. अब आपने फाइनल कर लिया है कहाँ जाना है. And now you have to research कहाँ पे रहेंगे, कितना finance चाहिए, कितने दिनों का stay होगा, and all of these things. This will be your research work. I'm not telling you to do this topic only. You can take your topic. I'm just giving you an example. चलो शुरू हो जाओ.